Yes! 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 Holy shit! Oh my god. It finally happened. 8.89. Oh. Oh, this one's legit too.
What? What are you talking about?
I just got a PB, Rubik's Cube. 8.89.
Oh my god.
Oh my god, it took me so many solves. I want to go to history and see how many solves it took. Good, it's solved. 8.9. So go to, oh, it's in, I don't know if I'm going to be able to find it. Control F, find? No. Alright, I guess I'll copy it into a Word document. Life used to be so hard. Now everything is easy 'cause of you. And the song is Our House by Crosby, Stills and Nash. I hell, that's another song. Let's see. Going into Word now and finding how many cells it took.
Okay, someone on the CC Finance Twitter tweeted, GoPro announces it will cut 7% of its staff. Not looking good.
Whatever. Honestly, it's not gonna take long for them to stop tweeting.
It's one of the juniors. Just like, stop it. I mean, I'm one of the people that use it, and like, literally all I've done is make the bio and retweet Mrs. Price's thing of all the kids at CC.
I got a PB because of edge control. No, right, you don't know that, but